Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So it's often happen when you cut out your connections when install the AMD software installer. Please make sure you're running the latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool or the AMD full driver package. Here you have to bolt this AMD driver package and AMD Auto Detect and Install. I recommend you if you have no good internet connections. You can try to download the AMD driver package. Here you can go to driver and support processor. Don't use this. Don't use auto detect and install driver from these auto detect tools. You can search the a driver manually. Choose your graphic, for example, Radeon RX 700 series. Here you can choose your AMD Radeon graphic, submit, and please download manually the AMD software Adrenaline edition here. So you can consider disabling your antivirus temporarily, of course, until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. And you can configure a firewall by allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software installer is running. You can search firewall in here. You can try to allow traffic. Here, allow an app through Windows Firewall. You can add AMD. And here, if the AMD servers temporarily offline due to maintenance, you cannot do anything. Just wait until the server is running normal. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.